No. Turned around. We're going back. Mount Ord is located in the Mazatzal Mountains, northeast of the Phoenix metro area. The mountain crests at 7,128 feet and is topped with a fire tower and communication towers. The county line that divides Maricopa County and Gila County passes across the summit. Our intent was to take Forest Service Road 626 from Highway 87 to the summit, and on our descent head down Forest Service Road 27 to access the Mercury mine. As you will see later, that descent was scrapped. Forest Service Road 626 was in very good condition, and I believe most streetcars can make the summit without too much drama. Just keep in mind that it is a dirt road and all that gets affected by that. At the top, you come to an open area with a gate. The gate is locked, but you can hike up past it to the fire tower. We elected not to hike up there and just to enjoy the stunning views. After leaving the summit, we opted to take Forest Service Road 27 down, as that goes right by the old Mercury mine. The first indicator that this might be a bad idea should have been the obvious lack of tire prints on the ground. The second indicator that this was a bad idea should have been the condition of the trail. The farther we went down the trail, the worse it got. Eventually we reached a washout that I was unwilling to cross. I couldn't film it, but I had to make a 38-point turn on a shelf road with a washout. It was pretty stressful. No. Turned around. We're going back. This concludes our adventure to Mount Ord. We hope that this inspires you to go out and explore your local area or sites. Adventure is where you are, you just need to find it. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.